Hi, Hannah. Do you like this game?
Yeah. Except it's time for a movie. Clean up the game, watch a movie.
That was a quick game. You just killed me in 2 moves.
Yeah. That was pretty funny.
So we're playing Simplified version. We're just playing ships, not captain, crew, and special effects. So teaching Hannah basic movements
Daddy.
and whatnot for the game. And this is the second game. And this game was really fast. She killed me in 1 move. Well, we had 2 moves, but just 1 attack. 1 attack, range 1. She rolled 4 dice, 4 hits. I got no blocks. And that's 2 shields, 2 hull. I'm dead. GG, Hannah. GG.